we hear that President Mnangagwa has asked to meet retired and current generals again today. This will be the third meeting they will have in the past month. Zana pina mashukatu na matinyara achiti. President Mnangagwa was asked to meet retired and current serving generals. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. I'm putting some pictures of my general Amurubona Blanjara Chiti. It is good for the commander-in-chief to meet his generals, especially when a potential national security threat is developing around the Constitutional Amendment Bill 3. As I have said before, CAP 3 lacks institutional support from the most important institutions, the military and ZANU-PF structures, because it was not passed by Congress and government itself, because it is being pushed by a parallel cabinet that was created by past the new cabinet. We hope the parties find common ground and the civilian leadership shows nation building leadership to avert the leadership vacuum that may need to be filled by the military. Do mashkarubuda pangwa ino arguya pangwa ino since President Mnangagwa is called my general ese aruseva currently serving nema retired to meet him. Chitiko pangwa ino chatrikona chirikuya after taona kuti pane a series of letters right now. Pane yatrikuona kuti iri very recent inobva kuna comrade Kageni Achanga anyora another letter achipama strange warning kuma serving military generals kuti va defend the country from the people who want to kill the constitution and destroy the people. Pangwa ino yatrikuona kuti the situation pangwa ino yava volatile zvaita kuti kamiri wenyika aiwa asangane nema generals aiwa kaka vake chitatu from the last month. Ina comment section yedu zofundwa enyi moti kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, but you don't turn on the bell icon.